This is a patent, if it is a patent which is related to the composition of a known ingredients, it is likely to be obvious unless the mixture or a combination leads to some new effect or a synergistic effect. If 1 plus 1 is 2, then this is not the something new and it is not, we cannot consider this for the patent. But if it is a 1 plus 1, that two things you have added, but the effect is say 4, effect is say 8, such kind of answers if it is coming, then we can say that this is a non-obvious. Now, consider this verifying the previous predictions and no substantial addition. So, you have not done any substantial addition into the current whatever the product is there or process is there, and you are just verifying the prediction, then obviously it cannot be a considered for the patent. Inventive step is lacking and it is a obvious thing. Now, next, some cases if there is a combining 2 or 3 parts and arranging them in a sequence and changing the sequence of a arrangement. So, if there are A plus B plus C, some kind of instruments are there and you are changing the arrangement of that from the, so previous product is having arrangement A, B and C and you have just changed from A, C and then B. Such kind of thing, it is not considered as considered for the patent, is an obvious thing.